Ooh. Hi, my name is Deja Ferguson, and this is my final training video for the Compute and Infrastructure track. In this video, I will be creating a virtual machine in Google Cloud, install NGINX, and demonstrate a working web server using an external IP address. This only matters because virtual machines are used in real companies to host websites and applications in the cloud instead of physical servers. By the end, I will show a working developed web page and explain common issues like firewall and HTTP access. So the first step you're going to do is create a VM. So first you're going to go to create instance, VM instance, and then name it. You can name it anything. I'm going to name mine NGINX VM. VM, yeah, because I already used that already. And then you're going to click on, it should already have the allow HTTPS, but you're going to go down and see if it's selected. Hold on, where is it? Wrong thing. That's also, hold on. All right. Oh, that's loading. Give it a few seconds. Okay. Now I'm gonna open the SSH into the VM. This gives me terminal access to the virtual machine. Now you're gonna select authorize. And here now you're gonna just install the NGINX. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna type this in. This is gonna update the system. If it does, which it does. Now I'm going to install the NGINX by typing this. This downloads and installs the NGINX web server onto your VM, and it sets up all required files automatically. So this is the actual web server that will host my website or your website, for example. Now in order to start it, this is what you would type in. This turns the NGINX service on, and without this, the NGINX is installed but not running. So this is what makes your website actually live on the server. And then to check if it's running, I'm going to type this in. And depending on what you get, it's going to either show if the INX is running or stop. You should see active running though. Okay, now we're going to go back to the VM dashboard. Hello. Oops. Sorry. It is. Dang it. The HTTP traffic is supposed to be on. It's not. That's okay. We're going to try and roll with the punches anyway. And then now we're going to copy the IP. I'm going to open a new browser. I'm going to paste it. Ooh. I definitely need to go back and do that. Let's see. I'm gonna go and fix this. Should be an easy fix. Oh. There it is. I'm gonna do both. Don't ask again. It's gonna take a little minute to save. Alrighty, so now I can go back. I'm gonna delete this tab, and then I'm going to go back and I'm just gonna copy it that way. Let's see if it works now. And it does. Sorry. And this should be what you see on your browser test. Is going to be a welcome to NGINX. This confirms the VM is working and the server is running and the web traffic is being served correctly.